Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can type equation in Microsoft Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to click on Insert, and here you need to go into the equation, and then you need to select this symbol sigma, and then you need to hit is equal to, and then you need this one. So for this you simply need to go into the Insert and go into the equation, and here you can see the option that is radical. Click on that and select the first one, and then you need to select this box and go into the fraction and select this one and select first box and click on 1, and then the down one, hit on n minus 1, and then you need this one. So then you need to select this all and go into the large operator and select this one. Okay, and here you need this bracket and this. So for this you simply need to select this one and go into the script and select this one. Okay, hit on 2 here. Okay, and select this one, and you need a bracket. So here you can add a bracket, and in the bracket you need to enter this xi minus x. So you simply need to go into the script and select the first one, hit on minus. Okay, and then you need this. So for this you simply need to go into the ascent and select this one. Okay, so here you need to put x, and here you need to, you can see this is the script. So for this I'm going into the script, so let me remove that first. So here I'm going to go into the script and this superscript, hit on x, and then you need to select this and hit on I. So this is a process by which you can type equation in Microsoft Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.